Can you open it?
What?
That's a new work from Babu.
Above.
Can I help you get it out of the box? Here. Will you help me?
I got.
It's stuck. I got it. I got it. Can you take the top off? What did you find? Are you eating? I shouldn't have done this while you're eating. A star. What's that? A square?
Wow.
Square. What's next?
Wow.
A flower? Yeah. A circle? Another circle. What's that?
Wow.
A flower?
Wow.
That's a star.
Yeah.
Star. What else?
This is what came in the mail?
Yeah.
What's that?
Yeah.
A square.
Here.
Triangle. Can you say that?
Wow.
Say triangle.
Wow.
Are there any more? Please. Here. There you go. Put the triangle in. Where does it go? It goes in that one. Haha. The fun begins. Turn it. Oh. Try again. That's a star. That goes in the star one. You did it! That's a square. Put it in the square one. Over here. Nope. Snack break.
Did anyone check the mail today?
Maya checked the mail. It's by the red chair in the front room. Katie, can you put the square in? You're all done? Thank you. That one doesn't go there. Hi, Maya's mad because her stuff still didn't come from Nana. Getting frustrated. It goes right here. It goes in the center one. Yay! Nope. Doesn't fit. Try a different one. Yes. You did. Does it fit? Try again. Try a different hole. No. Try a different hole. Try this one. That's a circle. Circle. Blue. Did you just tell me that was blue? Yay! You have more blue circles. Circle. Oh, here you go. Yay! You got it back. Are you going to put it in again? More purple flowers. There. You cheated. Wow, bless you. Ah, I'll get you a tissue.